Oh, hi there. I was just heading down to my basement to assemble some structure kits for the Nashville layout. Come on down and take a look. I'll just set those down there before I drop them. Well, as you can see, I have not yet got the basement properly set up. There's a lot of things I have to take care of before I can get to do that. But yesterday I did set up a makeshift work area so I can do these structure kits. I found most of the essential workshop tools, although there were a few I couldn't find, so I had to go out and buy some more yesterday. And most importantly, I got these two architect's lamps, so at least I can have the work area properly lit. And this big table will just stand in as a work surface for now. Well, the kits I have to assemble are the Walthers cornerstone machine shop and two 3-store roundhouses, which I'll be combining together to make one 6-store roundhouse. Now, although these kits are normally designed to go together, the machine shop is going to be completely separate, installed in a completely different area of the layout. So I'm actually building two unrelated structures. I think I'm going to start with the machine shop. The roundhouse is going to be rather large. Now, normally I would want to add details and get the structures nicely painted, but I've been told to assemble it without any alterations and without even painting it, just to leave it in its bare plastic. I'm not keen on doing that, but that's the directions from the employer, so that's what I have to do. I think this has already been opened and looked at. The bag is no longer sealed and the floor has been removed from the sprue. It's a pretty straightforward kit. Shouldn't take very long at all. So let me get my tools organized and I will be right back. Well, while the camera was off, I took all the windows off the sprue. I cut them off using a chisel blade. It's a lot easier than a sprue cutter in that particular situation. I've also attached all the glazing with Testors clear part cement, and while those were going hard, I also prepared all the wall sections and the floor, cut them from the sprue and clean them up with a large mill file. Although using the brand new sprue cutters that I bought yesterday, there was very little cleanup required because it just gave me a really smooth cut. The next thing to do is to insert all the windows into their openings. Well, all the doors and windows are now installed. I'm just using regular styrene solvent for that, MEK. The windows were fairly tight in their openings, so it's important to make sure that they're properly seated, otherwise you end up with a tapered reveal and it looks like crap. Now the next step is to start assembling the walls. And although assembling them on the floor would be the easiest way to go about it, I want to leave the floor removable, just in case the customer needs to get inside for any reason. So I'm going to have to continue by getting the roof panels ready so I can assemble them against the roof. So let me get organized for that and I'll be right back. Well, I'm not sure how much of that was caught on camera before it cut out, but there is the basic structure completed. All I need to do now is add the various details. There are some roof vents, there's downpipes and a chimney to install. Well, there is the machine shop done. As I said earlier, I would like to have been given the freedom to embellish it and at least paint it. But unfortunately, I'm working for somebody else on this one. So with that out of the way, let's get on with the roundhouse. Well, originally I had planned to release the entire video in one go, both the machine shop and the roundhouse. But I've been having such horrendous trouble with the editing software that I've decided to split the video here, rather than risking losing all the editing I've already done. So I'm just going to release this half for this week and have another go at editing the roundhouse video some other time. So I hope you found this video interesting or useful or enjoyable. I hope to see you again next week. Thanks for watching and bye for now.